Hello, wonderful audience. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Justin Cappos. Justin Cappos, born February 27, 1977, is a computer scientist and cybersecurity expert whose data security software has been adopted by a number of widely used open-source projects. His research centers on software update systems, security, and virtualization, with a focus on real-world security problems. Cappos has been a faculty member at New York University Tandon School of Engineering since 2011, and was awarded tenure in 2017. Now an associate professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, he has introduced a number of new software products and system protocols as head of the school's Secure Systems Laboratory. These include technologies that detect and isolate security faults, secure private data, provide a secure mechanism for fixing software flaws in different contexts, and even foster a deeper understanding about how to help programmers avoid security flaws in the first place. Recognizing the practical impact of his work, Popular Science selected Cappos as one of its Brilliant 10 in 2013, naming him as one of 10 brilliant scientists under 40. His awareness of the risks of today's connected culture and knowledge strong enough to keep him from owning a smartphone or other connected device, or from using social media like Facebook and Twitter, has led to numerous requests to serve as an expert commentator on issues of cybersecurity and privacy for local, national, and international media. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of education and early research initiatives and examining its broader implications. The topic of Cappos' dissertation at the University of Arizona was the Stork project, a software package manager he built with John H. Hartman, a professor in the Department of Computer Science. Stork is still used today in some applications, but, more importantly, the project called attention to the need for improved security for software update processes, a research area Cappos has continued to pursue. While a postdoctoral researcher at the University of Washington in 2009, Cappos also developed a peer-to-peer computing platform called Seattle, which allows device-to-device connectivity in a decentralized network. Seattle is currently used by thousands of developers who can access, download, and use the program on any type of smart device. In addition, spin-off technologies such as Sensibility Test have extended the use of Seattle's security and enforced privacy protection strategies, allowing researchers to collect data from sensors at no risk to the privacy of the device owner. Now, let's redirect our focus towards compromise resilient strategies and discover its significance in our narrative. In 2010, Cappos developed the Update Framework TUF, a flexible software framework that builds system resilience against key compromises and other attacks that can threaten the integrity of a repository. TUF was designed for easy integration into the native programming languages of existing update systems, and since its inception, it has been adopted or is in the process of being integrated by a number of high-profile open-source projects. One of the more significant earlier adoptions was Docker Content Trust, an implementation of the Notary project from Docker that deploys Linux containers. Notary, which is built on TUF, can certify the validity of the sources of Docker images. In October 2017, Notary and TUF were both adopted as hosted projects by the Linux Foundation as part of its Cloud Native Computing Foundation. In December 2019, TUF became the first specification and first security-focused project to graduate from CNCF. TUF has also been standardized in Python and been independently implemented in the Go language by Flynn, an open-source platform as a service POS for running applications in production. To date, the list of tech companies and organizations using TUF include Foundry.com, DigitalOcean, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Leap, Collide, Docker, and Cloudflare. Another significant compromise-resilient software update framework by Cappos is the 2017 launch of a TUF-adapted technology called Tandon. Tandon is designed to secure software updates for automobiles, particularly those delivered via over-the-air programming. Developed in partnership with the University of Michigan Transportation Research Institute and the Southwest Research Institute, and in collaboration with stakeholders in industry, academia, and government, Tandon modifies the TUF design to meet the specific security needs of the automotive industry. These needs include accommodating computing units that vary greatly in terms of memory, storage capability, and access to the internet, while preserving the customizability manufacturers need to design cars for specific client usage. To date, Tandon has been integrated into OTA Plus and ATS Garage to over-the-air software update products from Advanced Telematic Systems, and is a key security component of the automatic program created by Ubiquiti. The Ubiquiti project was honored with a BIG Award for Business in the 2017 New Product category in January 2018, and Popular Science magazine named Tandon one of the top 100 inventions for 2017. The first standard volume issued for the project, entitled IEEISTO Tandon Standard for Design and Implementation, was released on July 31, 2019. Tandon is now a joint development foundation project of the Linux Foundation, operating under the formal title of Joint Development Foundation Projects, LLC, Tandon Series. The time has come to unravel the secrets behind other significant research projects and gain a deeper understanding. In 2016, Cappos introduced in Toto, an open metadata standard that provides documentation of the end-to-end security of a software supply chain. The framework gathers both key information and signatures from all who can access a piece of software through the various stages of coding, testing, building, and packaging, thus making transparent all the steps that were performed, by whom and in what order. By creating accountability, in Toto can prevent attackers from either directly introducing malicious changes into the code or from altering the metadata that keeps the record of those changes along the supply chain. In Toto has collaborated with open source communities such as Docker and OpenSUSE. Datodid utilizes both in Toto and TUF. In December 2020, the framework released its first major version. While working on in Toto, Cappos and the SSL research group identified metadata manipulation as a new threat against version control systems like Git. His team has developed several new approaches to address this problem, including a defense scheme that mitigates these attacks by maintaining a cryptographically signed log of relevant developer actions. By documenting the state of the repository at a particular time when an action is taken, developers are given a shared history, so irregularities are easily detected. One recent accomplishment in this research arena is Arch Linux integrating a patch to check for invalid tags in Git into the next release of its Pacman utility. More recently, Cappos and his collaborators have focused on development of a browser extension that can ensure users of convenient web-based hosting services, such as GitHub or GitLab, that the server will faithfully carry out their requested actions. Another Cappos project, developed in 2014, introduced a method to make passwords for databases harder to crack. Polypassword Hasher is a secure scheme that interrelates stored password data, forcing hackers to crack passwords in sets. By making it significantly harder for attackers to figure out the necessary threshold of passwords needed to gain access, Polypassword Hasher enables databases become very difficult to breach. PPH is currently used in several projects, including the Seattle Clearinghouse and Buybank. Implementations are available for 7 languages, including Java, Python, C, and Ruby. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding selected publications as we navigate its intriguing terrain. List of publications from Microsoft Academic Search. As we progress, let's zoom in on media citations and commentary and examine its role in shaping our overall narrative. WLIW 21 PBS TV Long Island 26 March 2018. Scheich now protecting today's highly computerized cars from hackers. The Verge 14 February 2018. Kane, Sean. Chrysler's over-the-air update fiasco is limited to the Northeast, but customers are still waiting for a fixed WBR TV for Jan 2018. Gaunt, Joshua. Charging your phone in ride-sharing services. Airports could put your information at risk. Healthcare Analytics 29 Dec 2017. Steto, George. The worst healthcare cybersecurity breaches of 2017, i.e. cybersecurity for August 2017. Justin Cappos on why cars are not like computers when it comes to cybersecurity. The Washington Post 11 July 2017. Hackers have been stealing credit card numbers from Trump's hotels for months. Adage 27 June 2017. Pay up or lose everything. What Madison Avenue should know about the WPP ransom attack. KSTX Texas Public Radio 21 June 2017. All things considered, software protecting future cars starting to make inroads. Financial Times 14 June 2017. 3 U.S. banks chiefs fall victim to email pranksters. Fox 5 TV News 23 May 2017. Tui, Joe. Can big data analysis swing a political election? Fox 5 TV News 15 May 2017. Chen, Arthur. WannaCry malware exploited OS weakness to spread. The Los Angeles Times 15 May 2017. Dave, Parsh and James Fahrenheit. Peltz. WannaCry cyber attack, where the hack shuts down a hospital. Who's to blame? BBC 4 May 2017. Google Docs users hit by phishing scam. WBUR NPR Boston 4 May 2017. On point. Phishing, hacks and better online security. Reuters 3 May 2017. Spam campaign targets Google users with malicious link. Fox 5 TV News 25 April 2017. King, Mac. You really should read an app's service terms. Fox 5 TV News 30 March 2017. Selling your online search history. International Business Times 24 March 2017. Is privacy real? The CIA is jeopardizing America's digital security. WBUR NPR Boston 17 March 2017. Here and now, researchers race to develop software to prevent car hacking. The Washington Post 10 March 2017. The 42 words you can never say in emails to the District of Columbia government. WNBC TV New York 9 March 2017. WikiLeaks to help shield tech firms from cheese hacking tools. Fox 5 TV News 7 March 2017. Publishes errors of CIA cyber espionage documents. Make 3 March 2017. Hence email hack, how the private email debacle compares to Hillary Clinton's. KSTX Texas Public Radio 26 January 2017. Here and now. Future car may be protected from hacking by software developed in San Antonio. Reuters. Live on Facebook 18 January 2017. Houghton can protect your car from hackers. WWL amplitude modulation 870, frequency modulation 105.39 January 2017. How did the Russian hacks happen? Fox 5 TV News 18 November 2016. Are smart devices worth the hacking risk? WPIX 11 TV News 31 October 2016. Diaz, Mario. Clinton email investigation bombshell dominates campaign for both candidates. CNN Money 15 August 2016. Pagliari, Jose. Hacker claims to be selling stolen NSA spy tools. Vice 6 July 2016. Pearl, Mike. We asked a cybersecurity expert if Clinton's email system could have jeopardized national security. Scientific American 23 March 2016. Sneed, Annie. The most vulnerable ransomware targets are the institutions we rely on most. PBS NewsHour 29 February 2016. Ransomware attack takes down LA hospital for hours. PBS NewsHour 18 April 2015. The hack attack that takes your computer hostage till you pay. New York Daily News for March 2015. You check your personal email at work. CBS News 3 December 2014. 5 counterintuitive ways to protect against hackers. CBS TV News 15 August 2014. How Password Manager can help you stay more secure online. Varnis 6 January 2015. Interview with NYU Poly's Professor Justin Cappos, Security Lessons from Retail Breaches, MIT Technology Review 21 February 2013 Lim, Dawn. Startup Red Balloon Security offers to protect printers, phones, and other devices from hackers. Kakari New York University People Kakari Birth Kakari Living People Kakari Polytechnic Institute of New York University Faculty Kakari American Computer Security Academics. I appreciate your time and I'm grateful for every like, comment, and share.